Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name's Danny Taylor, co-owner of Vegan Proteins Online Coaching. And today I'm gonna be showing you what I think is a better way to meal prep tofu scramble. If you've been vegan for more than 5 minutes, you've heard of tofu scramble. It's a wonderful way to incorporate protein, fiber, veggies, color into your breakfast, lunch, or dinner, really. And it's great when you're cooking a one-off meal. But if you're trying to meal prep your breakfast for the entire week, it can be kind of a pain in the butt because you'd have to babysit the pan for hours as you made like several batches of it. Well, I've found a new way to make it. I want to share it with you. It takes a little bit longer overall, but there's way less active time. And if you want a copy of this recipe, be sure to click down below, enter your email, and there should be a PDF of the recipe in your inbox within a few minutes. If you don't see it, check your spam folder. And if you're a vegan who is looking to get in better shape, build muscle, burn fat, learn some healthy, high protein recipes, be sure to hit subscribe because we put out new videos every week with recipes, tips, tricks, meal plans, and educational videos. So let's get into it. So we're gonna use the broiler in your oven for this one. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take 4 large bell pepper, whatever color you like, and we're gonna pop them under the broiler. Now, the amount of time you need to put yours in the broiler will vary. Mine actually took a little bit of time. It was like 10 minutes before they started to blacken. Definitely use tongs or something to flip them over so that you get them pretty evenly colored on every side. I thought that these were properly cooked, but I probably could have cooked them for another 5 or 8 minutes or so, and it would have made the peeling process easier. Once those are done and out of the oven, put them in a bowl with a lid or just pop a plate on top of the bowl because it's going to trap the steam in there, which is going to make the skins come up a lot easier. And while the peppers are chilling in that bowl, you're going to get 2 large white or yellow onions and chop them into a rough dice. And we're going to be using 2 baking sheets for this because we're making a lot of tofu scramble today. So I have 2 baking sheets with the silicone mats on them. And I'm going to put half of the onion on one, half of the onion on the other. Once they're cool enough for you to handle, you can take them out of the bowl and the skins should slide right off. This is when I realized, oops, probably could have cooked these a little bit longer. But get as much of the skin off as you can, and carefully we're gonna take the stem and the seeds out of the peppers. Once that's done, go ahead and chop the peppers into little bite-sized pieces. And once you have those peppers all diced up as well, you're gonna split those in half on the 2 baking sheets as well, making sure to get some of the different colors on both of them. And I have 2 small cans of sliced mushrooms. I'm gonna drain them really well and dump 1 can onto each baking sheet and just kind of mix that together with my hands and a little salt. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop this in the oven for about 20 minutes or so at 400 degrees Fahrenheit by themselves because we want the vegetables to cook longer than the tofu. If you cook it all at the same time like this, you're probably gonna end up with a wet, soggy mess, which is my least favorite kind of tofu scramble. All right, while those veggies are baking away, go ahead and get yourself a big old bowl. And I am gonna use 3.5 packages of extra firm tofu, whatever your favorite tofu is. This one was on sale near me, so I'm gonna use that. And I find that it's best to just crumble it up with my hands and kind of smush it through my fingers. That gives me the best texture. I'm gonna add 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1/2 cup of nutritional yeast, and 1/4 cup of lemon juice, as well as a teaspoon of garlic powder, and just mix that all together until it's really well incorporated. And if this sound makes you wanna die, you are not alone. I am right there with you. Go ahead and put half of the tofu mixture on one pan and half on the other pan. And just kind of use your spatula or a spoon to stir that around on the pan. And we are gonna pop that back into the same oven at 400 degrees. And it's probably gonna be between 45 minutes and an hour in total. But every 15 minutes or so, we're gonna take it out of the oven and stir it up with our spatula because we're trying to get it to not be soggy. If you like your tofu scramble soggy, like, listen, you do you. I can't tell you what to do, but I like mine nice and crispy on the edges. I love those little almost burnt bits in there. And the longer it's in there, the more those onions are going to kind of caramelize along with the bell peppers. And it's just so sweet and savory and delicious. So keep doing this until it's the texture and doneness that you like. The pan is a little bit wetter, I think, because I filled it a little bit more. So I'm gonna pop it back in for another 10 minutes or so. All right, time to portion this out. And I'm gonna be using these little restaurant Tupperware things because I don't have enough glass Tupperware for all of this. And I need to make sure that it fits. Now I could weigh this out so that it's all exact, but I am not gonna do that. I'm just gonna eyeball it here. Okay, this has cooled off quite a bit, obviously. And I do wanna make sure that I get the crunchy little bits at the bottom, because that's the best stuff. Ah, that's what happens when you rush, Danny. That's what happens. At least my counter's clean. 5, 6, 7. I do think these are gonna come out to be like the perfect size for this. And this is not all that is in this breakfast. There's another little component. One pan. Let's get our second pan. Okay, so what is gonna go with this breakfast, which I'm actually gonna eat one right now because I haven't eaten breakfast. And yes, it is 1:18 in the afternoon. So I've gotta get on that. I thought this would be done hours ago. I'm gonna have a slice of this 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞 cinnamon raisin bread, which is my favorite bread that's out there. I'm gonna toast this up, and then I wanted to show this to you also. This is my favorite jam, I guess, that's out there, which is surprising because it's Smucker's. Can you see it? There we go. It's the Smucker's low sugar jam, but it is not low sugar because it has artificial sweeteners in it. It just has way less sugar in it, half the sugar of regular jam. So every tablespoon is only 25 calories. So slice of this, bit of this, dump this on a plate and reheat it since it is room temperature now. And I'm gonna eat some breakfast.
Run it up.
All right, it's time to dig in to this. No 𝐬𝐽𝐾 with me to make fun of my cooking today. We're all very sad about it. So I really, really like this because we roasted those bell peppers. They are nice and sweet, but you still have the savory of the onions, the umami of the mushrooms and the nutritional yeast. It's not wet, which is very important to me. I don't really like a soggy tofu scramble. And of course, I don't have to try this. I know I'm gonna love this, the 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐞 cinnamon raisin bread with the jam on it. But I love this because it's ready to go. It's portioned out in advance. It's not gonna get soggy and gross in the fridge. You could even freeze this and reheat it if you wanted to. It would change the texture a little bit because freezing tofu does do that, but some of you might actually prefer it that way. So give it a try. Let me know what you think. This whole meal, including the toast, comes in at 394 calories, 42 grams of carbohydrates, 10 grams of fat, and 31 grams of protein. And it's just a really great way to kick off the day. You have your savory, you have your sweet, you have your veggies. Can you really ask for anything more than that? I don't think so. If you give this a try, I'd love to hear what you think of it down below. Does this save you time on your tofu scramble meal prep? If you want to see more videos like this, leave a comment down below. I'm always looking for suggestions on what you guys want to see. I have a few more coming because this was going to be a longer meal prep video, but I decided to break it up. So I already know what's coming out next. And if you're a vegan who stumbled across this page because you were looking for healthy, high protein vegan recipes because you are looking to build muscle or burn fat or lose some weight this year, or maybe even compete in something like bodybuilding or powerlifting, that's what we do at VeganProteins. That's what we've been doing for almost 20 years now. We coach vegans to get into the best shape of their life. So if you're looking for some kind of one-on-one vegan coaching, go ahead and fill out an assessment down below. You'll hear back from one of us within a business day. We would love to be a part of your journey. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, hit the bell, all the things I'm supposed to tell you to do at the end of a YouTube video, and we will talk to you soon. Bye. So I can't really say it over by the kitchen because the fan on the oven is on super loud, but I had that tofu scramble with the toast for breakfast every single morning this week, and it was so good that I'm making it again, which I do not usually do right after making a YouTube video. The fact that I'm making it immediately again means you have to try this one. I think it's gonna be a favorite.